Hi, my name's Peet and I'm studying adult nursing at the University of Sheffield. So when you first start off doing your nurse training programme, you put down different areas of your preference. So I put Barnsley as my first preference because I live not far from here, and luckily I got my first choice, so that's how I've ended up doing most of my placements either at Barnsley Hospital or within the area of Barnsley. I chose to study at the University of Sheffield because I'd been reading reviews on different universities about what they provide for adult nursing, and it came up as one of the top universities, so that was a bonus. And also I live near and I didn't want to move away from home, so I kind of got a two-in-one deal. So I did a 4,000-word systematic literature review looking at how we can improve oral nutrition for dementia patients in the acute setting, so wards and care homes. And from that I were able to get 3 main recommendations. So my first recommendation was developing an educational programme for staff, so looking at building on foundations of knowledge of what dementia is and then building on that to how we can support dementia patients with nutrition. The second one being environmental modifications, so looking at how we can adapt and improve the environment to make dementia patients feel more calm. And then the third one being feeding skills workshop, so actually developing specific skills in relation to feeding and what approaches we use. So when I presented my findings to the nutritional group, they were really keen on that if they were to ever develop any of their resources or training, that they'd invite me back and let me help them and look at my findings from what research I did. I got shortlisted for a Nursing Times Award, so Student Nurse of the Year for clinical research. I was shortlisted for that. I had to prepare for an interview down in London, and then I went to the awards about a month later down in London again with a tutor from university, and up to that night I didn't know if I'd won or not. It was a really good night to see the success of other students, and then I ended up actually winning the award at the end. It felt amazing to win the award, and it's something that I'm really going to take on into future practice. To win an award and be recognised for research that I've done is a really great achievement, and to see that as a student you can really have an impact on developing patient care and that your voice matters just as much as anybody else.